she plays this for me. Would you rather do this? Or you want me to play for you?
No. No, you play.
Okay, play this time.
Yeah, because
usually when I go to her show, she plays for me.
Yes.
And we always drop a few lines here and there.
Okay.
This is for her grandmother, who taught her all of her moves. In my heart there is a song, in my soul I ever long for my island.
All through the years I've always dragged my own chair on stage.
Magical moments. I hear the wind gently calling me back to the ocean. I hear the lullaby, I see the valleys of home. I thought it was going to be you.
Oh, sing again to me the gentle melodies of Moloka'i.
All through the years, it's the place ever near to my heart. Every loving face be filled with the grace of heaven. Moloka'i, aloha, aloha, I love you, my home. Oh, just to be a child again, to be there in that warm morning sun, hear your voice in the wind, just to see you again. And when my heart is laid to rest in the heat and peacefulness of the mountain, when the stars light the valleys and those old cuckoo trees, just sing the lullaby for me. This is for Butchie. Oh, sing again to me from the cliffs beside the sea with your aloha. May the shining waters fall to the shore as you recall the memories. Until the valleys ring with songs we sing together. Moloka'i, aloha, aloha, I love you, my home. Moloka'i, aloha, aloha, I love you, my home. I won't tell you the stage. She doesn't know we're going to do that. We haven't practiced this, but since she sang a Connie Francis song for me a while ago,